Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Look at that, it's a bird. Oh God, birds aren't real. They're actually drones. We're actually drones. Our halo train system, but chance we don't essentially now. In trouble as we breathe.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, but I left my instant noodles over there, so I gotta go grab them. One moment. This will only take but a moment. Yeah, I have the instant noodles. Fear not. Don't be afraid. I have the instant noodles. Now, the package says you fill it to the line with 300 mils of water. This thing I think if I did that, it would just, when I pulled the label off of it. So I'm just going to do it in the pot. NeoStar Ramen Delight Savory Shrimp. 300 mils of boiling water. Got 2 sachets. We got our interesting noodle blocks. And this will be getting stirred throughout, let me tell you. So yeah, walked all the way into Bothell today. First day of the week of my trudging around. I want to send a shout out to my lovely wife Kit. She was kind enough, she got me new shoes this weekend, and boy, they're rad. I went on Amazon and I found these shoelaces, and they're Kevlar, which is kind of cool. So don't even think about shooting me in the foot. I guess that would be, maybe you'd need all Kevlar shoes for if you are prone to shooting yourself in the foot. But anyways, why is this like that? There we go. Felt totally wrong. But yeah, tomorrow is the big presidential thing deal, what have you. I don't know. I really don't know. I think it's going to be weird. I think it's going to be crazy. My money's on Harris, but I don't know. She could all of a sudden just like burp really loud out of nowhere, and that would just like throw her career. I mean, because policy and all that stuff really doesn't enter into it if you have some kind of flatulation on stage. I guess that actually could be a very likely thing for the former president to do. I guess we'll see. I think it's going to go pretty bad, but this morning on his True Social platform, he said that he was going to arrest and jail electors. So, I don't know. That's a great way to wake up on a Monday morning. Freaking weirdo. Anyways, yeah. Had a pretty good weekend. Went and got new shoes. My wife got a lovely new hairdo. And played some Pokemon junk. Went to the store. Ate some pizza. Alright. It's finally cooled down. It's like 63 degrees out right now. Cloudy skies over Kenmore, Washington. I guess we're gonna have some rain later this week. Boy, this stuff really is weird. I think 3 minutes ain't gonna be the ticket for it. It's sucking up almost all the water, and I gave it a generous 300 mils. But there's a lot of noodles in here, folks. I mean, look at this. It's like 90% noodle. This was dollar store stuff, and I'm pretty sure the last one of these I had was really bad. So, but the bowl that it should be done in is tapered. It's not as wide, so that's why I'm doing all this stirring. It seems like finally, and it spilled all over. It spilled on my nice, clean, freaking gray shirt. And the floor. That's... Mr. Chang, that's not how I like to start my day. Mr. Chang is a character in the TV version of the show V. Not the one that came out in 2009, but the one in, what, like 1984, 85? I freaking love that show. But Mr. Chang was played by a Vietnamese fellow named Aki Aliang, and yeah, I think he was Vietnamese. Yeah. Anyways, let's give this stuff a try. Yeah. Oh. Wow. Wow. To coin a phrase by, here, let me rotate this. Made famous by Gordon Ramsay. Wow. 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 Yeah, that's freaking gross, man. It's salty. The noodle just wants to, it's almost like I feel like the noodle is trying to gag me. I don't need no spoon, man. The noodle's trying to gag me. Where's the... We'll go like that. Okay. The noodle soaked up a lot of liquid, but the noodle itself is very dry. It does not act as noodle should act. And the broth is just so salty. And this junk got on my shirt. I'm like, dude, bruh. Come on. Yeah, I mean, look at that. It's so bleachy. That's train wreck noodle right there, folks. I almost feel like what I'm doing, trying to make this look nice, is something that I could be criminally prosecuted for, just due to the fact that it is not nice. Okay. Yeah, I would say if you were going to have this, if you have this in your pantry or something, add way more water than it calls for. Like, I'd say 400 to 600. I'm serious. It is so strong. And I would add, I don't know. Maybe literally just take it out and boil it like you're cooking a block of noodle. Oh, come on. There we go. Yeah, there we go. This is Roland sriracha. This is kind of weird stuff. I don't know what to do to make this look, I mean, it looks kind of weird. I'm going to leave it like this. Yeah, I am not recommending this to anybody for human consumption. This is sad. All right, well, there's what that was. The next one you're going to see is one that came out of an Akama Noodles box. Go to Meow, M-I-A-U, meowboxjapan.com. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Myojo Hyobanya. This is their tonkatsu, and I haven't seen any of the Hyobanya range in a long time, so really stoked. The Nakama Noodles box that this one actually came out of had a lot of pack versions. I really dig that. So, yeah, that'll be on the next episode. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.